Hello, hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. We have some little Earth Day bookmarks to make today. Yeah, they're really cute, they're really simple. Let's take a look and see how they're made. To make our Earth bookmark, we're going to start off with a square piece of paper. This is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and we're going to turn it into an origami bookmark. Turn it round, bring it up, so that you have a triangle. So we're folding across the diagonal. So you now have this triangle. Bring the long pointy bit up to the middle and make a neat crease. Repeat on the other side and again make a neat crease. Open up, fold one flap down, bring the corner up and tuck it in. Repeat on the other side, bring the corner up and tuck it in. You now have your basic corner bookmark. So we now need to turn this into a circle, or to be honest, a pretend circle. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a tin to trace my circle. This happens to be 7.5 centimeters, so it's half the size of my original square piece of paper. So if you're using larger paper, just use something circular that's half the size. I'm going to trace it in a minute, but I'll just show you how I'm going to trace it. It's important that when you trace it, you have an edge here and an edge here overlapping, because otherwise you're going to end up with a bookmark that kind of falls apart. So let's put this down. You can trace it. Here we go, so a straight edge and a straight edge, and then you can cut that out. Ooh, don't worry about that, we can fix that. These things happen. Here we go. So we have cut out our bookmark basic shape. Now we need to decorate it. Now you can see I've done it slightly off center, not the end of the world. Well, get it? Not the end of the world. But you know, you won't really notice it once your bookmark is ready. Now what you can do now is you can either just cut out some random patches, or you can try and copy the topography of the world. I'm going to cut out random ones for this one, so you'll see here in a minute how we can fix that little problem. So you just need sort of some green patches. But in my other one, I kind of very, very loosely copied sort of Europe, Africa and America, but really you can just do whatever shapes you want. In terms of the overall effect, that is all you need to do. Get my glue and glue these down. As you can see, they overlap the edges. That's because I'm going to then trim it. Great opportunity to fix my mistake here. I might use different scissors actually for the trim. I think the scissors were a bit blunt. So turn it around and trim it off. There we go, basic shape. And now we're going to decorate it. Now, just to save a little bit of time, I drew on some faces with a black pen onto white paper. I also made some little plasters. This one I did with a heart. So, you can decorate it in whatever way you wish. And, just add little details. This is going to be a Heal the World one. So we're going to stick the plaster together. Let's position the eyes that out because that is bothering me a little bit. You want the sides to be a bit more even. Okay. Don't cut too much off, because if you cut too much off, it falls apart. So you do need those edges, yeah? But I just needed to even that out a bit. Okay, now let's stick on our eyes and our little patch, our little plasters. I think I'm going to start off with those because it's going to influence where the eyes go. So here's a little get well soon plaster. And then I'm going to put the first eye just here, second eye across from it, and it's still a smiling world even though it needs a little bit of love and care. Maybe bring this down a little bit. Here we go. Isn't that adorable? So yeah, that's it. You have made your first world bookmark. Now you can see I made two different ones. This one just has a little heart. You can leave the heart out. You can leave the whole face out if you want. You can just have a world one. You know, basically do what you like and just decorate it whichever way you want. And yeah, that's your little world, you know, Earth Day bookmark that you can make. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching. I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.